This message is being transmitted to Ubiquity channel. This is not a test. This message is to let you all know to not play this video when a TV or radio is on, because this will cause a real activations. Ubiquity won't be responsible for any real activations. Viewer discretion is advised. This concludes of emergency alert system from Ubiquity. This message is being transmitted to the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Scientists say that a 7.0 magnitude earthquake will rock in the state of Alaska on Friday morning. Make sure to follow the following instructions when the earthquake starts. Drop, cover, and hold on. If in a vehicle, pull over and stop. If in bed, stay there. If outdoors, stay outdoors. Do not get in a doorway. Do not run outside. We recommend you to practice doing this to prepare for the earthquake tomorrow. This concludes the emergency alert system.
Hey, Mom. It's snowing. It's too early. Come here.
You wanted to come, it's just too far.
This message is being transmitted to the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Drop, cover, and hold on. If in a vehicle, pull over and stop. If in bed, stay there. If outdoors, stay outdoors. Do not get in a doorway. Do not run outside. This message will repeat until the earthquake ends. Drop, cover, and hold on. If in a vehicle, pull over and stop. If in bed, stay there. If outdoors, stay outdoors. Do not get in a doorway. Do not run outside. This message will repeat until the earthquake ends. Drop, cover, and hold on. If in a vehicle, pull over and stop. If in bed, stay there. If outdoors, stay outdoors. Do not get in a doorway. Do not run outside. This message will repeat until the earthquake ends. Drop, cover, and hold on. If in a vehicle, pull over and stop. If in bed, stay there. If outdoors,